is pitch black. Oh my god. What the hell is that? It's a creepy ass doll. I'm just joking. There wasn't really noises. Although, where's the doll gone? Ah, it's still there. No, I'm not really crazy. I was just watching. I can actually see things now. This flame is freaking playing tricks with me. I'm just going to put the light on because I can't handle the dark anymore. Oh, thank God for that. Anyway, Tomb Raider coming in a couple of days. Be sure to check it out on our main channel, and I'll catch you later. I hope you enjoyed this terrifying video.